Hi, welcome back to Siren Acoustic Guitars.
Yeah, episode 4 of the D series. We have the D45, the D35, and the D28.
That's right. We ended up having to rebuild the body for the D45. Little alterations wanted to be made, and that's okay. We're building the client the best guitar we can, and
the customer decided they wanted a 3-piece back.
That's right.
So that meant starting again, which is not a problem, because we had a customer for the D35, so that worked out well.
Yeah, that it did. We also have some merch in stock now. The white shirts with black writing. Black shirts with white
Front
writing.
and back.
Yeah. Just to
there you go.
Show you a little bit of what that looks like. And, we also have the website that's up now, sirenacousticguitars.com. Sales are available.
And we're adding models to the site as we go. Right now, I think it's just the D45, we have
the Dreadnought.
The Grand Concert.
Yep.
And then the Dreadnought. And I think we'll be adding an OM size later on. We're kind of sort of in the early stages of developing that body style. So
that we are, yeah. We have it listed as the 00 currently, and
there's a 00,
the Grand Auditorium.
Grand Auditorium, right. And the Dreadnought. So yeah
check it out.
And then if you're interested in something that we haven't even thought of yet, we're perfectly willing and able to build any body style or body size that you're interested in.
Absolutely, just shoot us an email.
Yeah.
Greg at sirenacousticguitars.com or Josh at sirenacousticguitars.com. Anyway, that's not why you're here. You're here for the video, part 4.
Let's start.
All right. After putting the book match set through the thickness sander to ensure it's flat, we join the two pieces together and let that cure overnight. Once cured, we remove the back from its jig and use the thickness sander again in order to bring the back to its final thickness. In order to inlay the back strip, we need to make our center line, and then route out the slot. Once routed out, we add some tape to either side of the slot to avoid any excess glue from getting on the back. Once we set the center strip in the channel, we cover it with wax paper to keep the piece we clamp from sticking to the back. That would be bad. That would require a lot of chiseling and risk damaging the back. With a few clamps and some even pressure across the entire back, we're going to get some nice contact across that entire center strip. Next, we draw out our center line and line up the sides to make sure that our spline or center support is both straight and in solid contact with the tail block and heel block. Then, we use rulers as our stop blocks so we can't drift from that center line. We glue it up and we clamp it down. Once again, applying even pressure across the whole strip with as many clamps as we can fit. Once the glue is cured, we remove the clamps and start working on shaping that spline or center support. We draw some pencil lines on it in order to see what areas we've hit and what we haven't hit. If the pencil lines are still there, well, you haven't covered that area yet. If they're gone, it's already been shaped in that spot. Once the spline is shaped, we start marking out our lines for our back braces so we know where we need to make cuts in the spline. Before we can actually place the back braces, they need to be radiused. This is a multifunctional jig Greg made. One side is our 40-foot radius, and the other side is our 15-foot radius. Once the braces are glued and cured, it's time to start shaping. We give each brace a gradual reduction to 0, meaning it's flush, so that way when you glue the back onto the sides, you don't have additional wood sticking out below the binding. Once we finish shaping the braces, we tape off the edges on the inside of the back. We do this because we put finish on the inside of our instruments, and if the edges are covered in finish, they won't glue properly. Not a lot of companies put finish inside their guitars. The reason we do is to help better protect the instruments from humidity. With the back complete, we have to get the sides ready to accept the back. And with this, we take the body, we put it on the radius dish to match the radius of the back braces that we had previously done. Rock it back and forth in order to get solid contact on that radius dish across the entire sides for the back side. Remember those back braces I said we needed to bring to 0? Well, they still have something there. They're not going to be completely flush, so it's important that we notch out the areas where they make contact with the sides. Once we finish that, of course, we have to clean the inside to make sure there's no dust, and we have to make sure that everything that we're putting glue on is completely clean. Once the entire surface is evenly covered with glue, we then place the back on using the center lines that we'd previously made on the sides and the back. We line it up, we clamp it down, remember that thing that I'm always saying about clamps? Thanks for watching part 4 of the SAG D45 Build series.
I hope you guys enjoyed it as much as we did.
Yeah, we're having a great time, and if you're enjoying watching it, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, tap the bell icon if you want to see more. Alright, and we'll catch you next time, and hopefully we'll, at the end of this, we'll have a video of the client, Dylan Cooper, playing his instrument.
Absolutely. That'll be fun.
Yeah. Alright, have a great one. Till next time.